Hello and welcome to my channel youtube.com Arvind BKC. I am Arvind Kumar. I am today are going to be the first series in the SQL joins. Today we are going to be learn all the types of join with the practical how we can remove our like confusion which we occur in daily in day-to-day query with the help of simple with the simple concept with the practical examples. So after this viewing this video, by looking this video of this concept, all the joint concept will be clear after this one. So okay, so let's move it. Not going to on to detailed and one all the joints we will sketch one to one. So this is the script which I have already run this one for saving the time. And we try to create the simple tables as much possible and try to give you the data as much and all the versions and all the things that is possible. So I have created two tables, tab 1 and tab 2. If you see the id which is having unique data, and tab 2 is something somewhat redundant data in the real life as well. So if you apply the join starting on the inner means they say the common matching row. So when I get apply on the T1 and T2 and they are not the exactly the unique in both the tables. So when I apply the inner join, so it is something that all the common matching row should commit from both the table. So here what it is going to match, so it is there 1 is going to match, 3 is going to match, so that row should become in that one. So if you run this one query here in the same way, I will give you all the script. So it is going to be give the output as a this one which I already shown to you, run to you. If you see here, so that output it should be there like exactly. So 1 3 that is coming as in the inner join. So left outer it says as whatever the matching is come with the left table. So if you see the data here, in the left it is a 1 2 3 4, and in the right it is not as exactly as a unique as a 4. So I have keep it as a data. I have keep it try to show you as much possible in the practical how we occur this type of data in our real life as well. So if you apply this left outer, so whatever it is matching with this table 1, so it would be written table 1 with table 2 and it is going to match. So what is going to match? It is going to match like 1 3, right? So if you say 2 is not matching, 5 is not matching, so whatever the data on the left it is residing, so that data would be should return. And whenever it is going to be fetched from T2, that corresponding null value would become. So whenever you run this query, na, so that would be very practical. You can see it here. So 1 and whatever it is to be, because corresponding there was no row with the 2, so it is going to be returned null. So similarly there was no row corresponding the 4, it is going to run, and whenever it is going to match all the row it has come. So all the concept when you apply this left one, where you apply this one you will reverse the table, that table 2 would become as a left and then table 1 would be right. So in that case when you fetch from this one, so whatever it is matching with T2 tables, so that would come. So this is the basic concept, and here I am showing with the practical example. So whenever the same thing you apply, the right outer is nothing but reverse of this left outer. So whenever it is going to match with common rows, and then when it is present on the right data would be there, when it is not present corresponding uh, on the left null should come. Okay, so the same structures is there and like this one. So if you go this one with the right outer, uh, if you see here like say the table 2 was something 1 3, and if you see here table 2 was something 1 3 was the common. So 1 3 was common, 1 3 was common, and then corresponding 5C is something the data is residing on table 2. So it is something your concept is going to be clear. So here it is returning as a null. So it is basic concept along with a practical experience. So now we will go to the same. Self join is very simple. It is just join on the same table with the different aliases. Aliases means we have created two names. So if you see, it is nothing but if you join this one, whatever it is going to be present on this table one, all the data would come in the same way and the same number of rows. So self join is nothing but creating the aliases for that one. So it is very simple one. The same data should and it comes right. Similarly, if we apply this cross join is nothing but the multiplication of these two tables. So whatever it is not having any uh, conditionals on the column, so it is just cross multiple of them, whatever the number of rows that is present on table 1 and whatever number of present in table 2, so that just the repetition of that would become. So I think it is 4 to 4 16 rows, so it should come. So here if you see all the rows from both one, so it would be written as is the same way, right? So thanks for this is my first series, and thanks for watching this.